Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. So from here let's move to the left corner. When we tap to this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can see the spirit level option. So this is our leveler. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here at the center in the preview now we can see it. This is useful, for example, when we want to hold our device steady to take straight picture. And this is how to use this. As you can see, we have orange line when our device is standing or holding steady. So this is how to use it. Of course, when we don't need it, we have to go back to the left corner, slide down again to the general and tap to this button to turn it off with spirit level. So for now, the leveler has gone in the preview. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.